Greetings, sisters. My name is Fea Barquez Waco, a charter member of Perla Assembly Number 1. As we celebrate our Diamond Year, I'm also celebrating my Diamond Year as a Rainbow Girl. Since I joined Rainbow, it has been my way of life. Rainbow molded me into a better person. It helped me improve my way of life. I became an outgoing person and was able to concentrate on my studies more. I became more interactive and engaging. I improved my memory work and led to be a good leader. My first station is patriotism, then hope, charity, worthy associate advisor, and then worthy advisor in 1952. I was given the Grand Cross of Color in 1956. Well, wrong, 1954. Served as Mother Advisor in 1964 and from 1966 to 1982. Supreme Deputy 1982 to 1992. Supreme Inspector 1992 to 2002. Supreme Service 1996-1998. Supreme Love 1998 to 2000. Supreme Religion 2002 to 2002. Supreme International Religion 2002-2004. Supreme Religion 2006-2008. Supreme Outer Observer 2008-2010. Supreme Fidelity 2024-2026. My favorite station is as Ward Advisor because I can interact with other assemblies and their members more. During my tenure in the Philippines, I was able to organize 16 assemblies and the Grand Assembly of the Philippines in 1985. Our first Mother Advisor, Ma'am Beth Barnes, and then Supreme Deputies Dad Walter Sioni and his wife, Ma'am Agnes Sioni, were very helpful in my work as a Rainbow Girl and as Mother Advisor to the girls. Practice what you learn from the teachings in the Seven Color Station lectures of Rainbow. Let us be kind, forbearing, and forgiving one toward another. Let us return kindness for hostility. Let us sacredly preserve our lips from slander and evil speaking. And whatever may be our failings, let us throw around each other the proud mantle of charity. Finally, let us be governed in words and deeds by the golden rule. Whatsoever ye would that men should do to you, do ye even so to them. For this is the law and the prophets. Thus we may confidently hope that in the good providence of God, each of us will be brought through a useful and happy life with blissful close and triumphant entrance. And remember your rainbow promise, forever the rainbow. Dear girls, as you leave this assembly room and go to your respective homes, may he who slumbers nor sleeps watch over you and lead you in the way of righteousness and truth until we meet again.